Hello and welcome in this short tutorial how to replace the key fob from the standard one into the scissor one. So what we need to do first is open this one. We need a screwdriver to open it. The best way I found it is just to stick the screwdriver, press it and just push it against this part of the key. So next step is to pull this out, and don't forget to take the immobilizer. And next step, pulling all these buttons out of here. It can pop up. Nothing major damage will not gonna happen to this. And when we finish this bit, we need to unscrew 1, 2, 3 bolts in here. And you need to be careful now, because we don't want to lose those screws. If you try to open it, it has a spring inside which opens this bit for the ignition. So it will automatically try to spring it. We need to be careful with this, because that spring can just pop out and you can find it somewhere else on the floor. Somewhere in the floor. Right, so so we can take those little screws out of this plastic. We're gonna need this bit as well. Right, so that's been done. Oh, this immobilizer goes directly in here because there's a nice space for this. Bit. You can help yourself with the screwdriver. Right, now it came to the biggest, a little bit hardest part of this job. So the battery comes out. Okay, so this one's done. It might be a little bit tricky with this one. I've tried it a couple of times and I found the best way is just push those bits. Hold your finger on top, because that may pop out anyway. Oh, alright. You got it now. It pops out, so we don't need it. This, and as you can see, and we need to put this in the same. And now the battery goes directly into that place where it should be. Alright, and now we need to, I think this goes like here. So we're nearly done, we're nearly finished. So we need to put this little plastic which is sticking out from that bit of plastic. You need to go into the spring inside, and then we need to do one turn, squeezing that spring a little bit, and put it into place.